Happy Friday, second grade. Today we are going to finish Mr. Putter and Tabby Turn the Page. You have been reading this all week with Mrs. Spinato and Mrs. Retz. And as you read, Miss Spinato and Miss Retz had you collect some information about the characters in the book. You thought about their character traits, you thought about how they were different and how they were similar to each other. So let's now finish reading Mr. Putter and Tabby Turn the Page. Chapter 5, Book Swap. When everyone got home, they needed tea. Reading had been so exciting that it made them hungry. So Mrs. Teaberry made tea and raisin biscuits for them all. When it was time to leave, Mr. Putter swapped his bear book for Mrs. Teaberry's dog book. He and Tabby liked dog stories. Zeke was curious about the bear. That night, when everyone was tucked in, they all had free stickers and free bookmarks and good bedtime stories. And Zeke loved the bear. And that was the end of our story. So what you're going to do now is you are going to complete a character traits ditto. So now that you've finished, I'm going to model how you're going to do that. So on this paper, there is a little document that you can click on. And when you click on it, it is going to bring up a bunch of character traits. So what you're going to do is you are going to look through all of these character traits, and you're going to think of one of the characters and pick one of the traits. If you think of one that is not on the list, that is fine as well. It does not have to be. So I am going to show you the model. I chose Mr. Putter. I said Mr. Putter is peaceful. And my evidence, I have to back up why I think that Mr. Putter is a peaceful person. And I think that Mr. Putter is a peaceful man because in the story, Mr. Putter liked his quiet time in his bathtub. He also liked to nap and quietly sit and think. Another example is Zeke the dog, okay? And I believe Zeke is very active. So that's his character trait. And I said, I think that Zeke is an active dog. I think that Zeke is active because when Mrs. Teaberry and Zeke entered the library, Zeke was so excited he licked many faces. In addition, the pictures in the story told me that Zeke liked to chase squirrels. Another example was that he had once gotten a lampshade stuck around his neck after knocking down the lamp. So now it's going to be your turn. You're going to pick a character, you're going to pick a trait, and you're going to provide some evidence as to why you believe that character has that trait. Bye!